Hello everybody, we are right now in our nursery, and in this patch of our nursery we have totally grafted our low chilling varieties. On this side of our nursery, these plants which you are seeing in front of us are Enna variety, and as you can see the plants are growing very vigorously. Right now it's almost 2+ feet, I think 2.5 feet. More the plants which are at the topmost of growth are about 2 feet, and few are also 1 feet, 2 feet, 1.5 feet in mix. Even some are turning out to be feathered plants at this stage also, and we are expecting more than 80% plants in this nursery will be feathered plants. This, and I will show you the quality of our material. The best part of the material is to get the fruit in the same year, and as you can see, this is almost a half-feet plant, maybe at most 1 feet, but you can see the fruit has been setted in it, and this fruit is Enna. You can clearly see it. This is Enna variety. So these all plants are Enna varieties in this side of our nursery, and you can see some feathers are developing also, as you can see it. Yeah, so this fully patches of Enna variety. As you can see here, also feathers are coming out. 1 feather, 2 feather, this is 3rd, this is 4th, 5th, yes, 6th. That means, as we are expecting, the plants are moving accordingly. So this is also Enna, this one is also Enna, and from this side to this, from that end to this side up to this plant, as we have marked with color designation, you can see it clearly. This, and here also it will be colored somewhere. Yeah, this is colored. As you can see, this is colored. This is the boundary designation. From here onwards it is Michael variety. You can see this is all, these are plants are of Michael variety, and here also these are Michael. These plants are also Michael variety plants, up to something like this. Here we have also designated our boundary by coloring with red color. You might be seeing, I hope. This is the boundary designation, and from here onwards, this is here starts the Enna variety. This is also Enna. So from here we have Dorset Golden and Fuji plants. These are red Fuji plants. As you can see, very healthy plants. These are very good in shape and in size. For these plants, this whole nursery will be available in Tamil Nadu, and in Tamil Nadu, if anybody is interested, they can contact with Mr. Suresh. He is our distributor there, and you will collect these plants in Tamil Nadu from him. And these plants are Fuji, another variety of Fuji plants. So hope you enjoyed this video. For these plants you can contact Once more, I want to tell all the viewers you can contact with Mr. Suresh, and these plants will be available in your area. Thanks for watching.